Hello and welcome to my channel. Thank you for dropping by. So today we're gonna make firewood with this machine. It's a Teak XL highway delivered from a Norwegian importer, and we're also gonna use this mini excavator. It's a Longking CDM 6020. So we're mainly gonna focus on birch today. I hope we will fix 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 pallets, and it's like this, 1000 liters. When we are done with the pallets, we're gonna use this Fiat 450 to carry them away. Then we have this fork, backhoe fork. Is that something? At the moment we are charging the batteries and we have warmth on the engine, so it will start. It's about 0 degrees, so it's good to put a little warmth on the engine before starting it, especially when it's that old tractor. The excavator is, as I said, a Longking, and it's about 1.8 ton. In the winter it's mainly used for putting logs onto the log table, so I don't have to carry them, lift them by hand. I got some pine here as well, pine and evergreens, so I need to sort them out, and then I'm gonna put the birch on the table, and we will put them through the machine. The machine is Teak 48. I think that's highway. That's because it has brakes. A nice upgraded hitch, and lights that is mounted, so it's easy to drag along. That's nice because I'm renting it out when I'm not using it myself. This one is pretty new, it's gone 4 engine hours or something. So then I will just start the firewood fabric. Hope you enjoy. Comment below what machine you have. Also give me a subscribe if you like the channel, and comment where you watch it from, what country. Is it only Norway, or do I hit some I know Americans like firewood? So I hope I can catch some abroad audience as well. Not only Henrik with his Dalen. The tank was almost empty, so it's going 4 engine hour on one tank. This is what happens when you don't have a checklist that you check off. Then you forgot to place pallets where the pallets need to be placed. Let's do this the simple way. Like that. I put up 2 cages with nets. We can pivot the conveyor, so it takes 1, 2, middle, 3 to the left. So we don't have to start a tractor before we have 3 full pallets. So then we will start up the excavator and start filling the table.
I've seen those sleepless nights, sipped on the champagne life, New York City, high dollar tipsy, and I built an LA cruising up Highway 1. Picture perfect, that red sting was worth it. I've been to some parties, seen my name on marquees, red line in a black Ferrari in the country. But I've never been on top of this world. With one look at one girl, white Adidas on bare feet.
Now this is pretty unusual for me, to have so straight wood timber. This is spectacular. Woo! It will go in a jiffy. So here it's full now, but we have here a 8 splitter. I also have a 4 splitter and a 6, but the 6, the middle pieces is getting a bit big, I think, so I'm using mostly 4 and 8. So this is 8 and the next load will be 4. So that's why I didn't take any more. So now I can, the next load I will take these 4 splitters here and put on the table, so I can get closer with the excavator, because you see now I'm a bit off. I want to be in the middle on the table. That's why I've got them with an angle. So then we will fire up the big old machine, put on greasing there, and everything seems to be okay. I had some problems with this. It's gonna divide out the smaller pieces, but yeah, someone is getting stuck in these bars, and then they will just throw out that side. When it's, yeah, now it's like 1/5, 1/6 full, then I like to take out some air. If the customer sees so much air pockets, then he will not be happy. Yeah, so, and I will put this up as well. So that was one log. Oh, that's nice. 6 minutes on one log and so much in the pallet. That's nice, very nice. Okay, then we have what seems to be a full pallet. With this and what's on the ground. I would rather see this get into the sack instead of the ground, but adjustments.
T-shirt hiding your two-piece. Angel make the makeup. Wake I could only make it. Never have I ever, no, I've never seen something like you. Seen something like you. Moonlight in your blue eyes, light up a midnight ride, slow shadow dancing, it must be magic. You're all seven wonders, wrapped up in one girl, star shooting breathless heaven. But I've never been on top of this world. One look at one girl, white Adidas on bare feet, t-shirt hiding your frenzy. Angel need the makeup. Wake I could only make it. Never have I ever, no, I've never seen something like you. Seen something like you. I've been to some parties, seen my name on my red line and a black Ferrari. But I've never been on top of this world. One look at one girl, white Adidas on bare feet, t-shirt hiding your two-piece. Angel need the makeup, wake I could only make it. Never have I ever, no, I've never seen something like you. Seen something like you, yeah. Oh baby, oh no. Seen something like, seen something like. Never had I ever seen something like you.
2 pallets in the books. Not bad. 0.9 engine hours on the machine for these two. Now I'm gonna take this, is it sawdust? Take this, and as you see over there, I have some other bags with sawdust. Oh, no problemo. Där. Okay, look at the beauties. Three beautiful clean flame birch, ready to get dry. Not kiln dry, but summer dry. Look at the valley. The wind is blowing, taking the moist with it. So the firewood gets almost kiln dry. We started off with some 8 splitting with the black one, and 1.5 pallet took like nothing. Did it in a jiffy. But when we went down to, I said 4 cutter, 4 splitting, but this is only 10 centimeters, so I only split them in half and then take some time. When you only get like 1/5 or something of the log in one cut. So when I can use the 8 splitter, it's much more efficient, but then it maybe would have cost more for materials. So thank you for watching this English version of Firewood and Tree here at the lot. I hope to, if this gets popular, I will make more English versions. So press likes, comments, subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.